My first question to you is, we've recently seen a lot of volatility in the markets, sharp corrections, and then sharp rises again, and it continues even as we speak. How do you manage your investors during this period? Are you faced with a lot of calls from them? Are they very worried? Are they continuously harassing you literally? But what do you tell them? How do you tell people? Because, whatever we may say about long-term equity, etc., people do get upset when there are sharp falls in their portfolio. So how do you manage that?
See, basically, when we started with this mutual fund products selling and giving advice on products, what has happened is कि when we have started saying कि let's do something in mutual funds, there is an hesitation कि why we should go with mutual funds. These other traditional products are giving us good fair returns, and why mutual funds? So when they started investing by convincing them कि there's a long-term goals you have, so you will get you need to beat inflation and don't worry about the volatility of the markets, but if you look at the long-term returns, you will definitely get good returns over your traditional products. So this thought we are normally trying to give on a first go when they are introduced to us. Once they are there, we try to provide them a jargon of finance, where how equity market works. It's a small liners what we provide. So because of this, that they have continuous connect with us, and because they are connected, whatever happens in the market, that doesn't make them feel bad or good. They are there because they are now concentrating on the goals what they have, and probably the wealth creation thought what they always have. In a nutshell, if I say each and every person who have connected or maybe in the world are looking for the wealth creation, and probably if you guide them well, I don't find you need to talk on markets are up or down or market really makes them worried. If you have that kind of support to them, yeah, I'm looking after to what is happening around, it's okay, it's there, then that things will make sense to them. And I think this time when there was a correction, there was literally a calls from the client saying मेरे को पैसा add करना है.
That has been the change?
Yes, that's a big change. Like if I talk on numbers, let's say we have additionally registered the traditional average registration what we do for the SIP registration is around 150-200 registrations a month. The market corrected, around 100 more SIPs been registered. So around 200-300 SIPs are registered. So which was not expected. Correct. But this time it has happened. So probably the awareness which is going around and the support from all mutual fund companies and the advertisement which is going on is really helping. That's what I personally feel. So it's not about markets, it's about how you connect with the customers.
So what you're really saying is it's important, therefore, for you to have an advisor who you can keep depending on to clarify doubts of yours when bouts of volatility happen. It becomes very critical.
Yes. So even in your personal life also, you need somebody as an advice. And we believe them in a family or friends or whoever it is. There is somebody who advise you for your extreme decisions or a good or bad decisions. So similarly, if you are there, say I understand finance bit better than you. If you try to put them on a right contacts, they are ready. They are saying, okay, take care of my money. Please make sure whatever we decided or whatever we have as a thought should do with my money. So that's very clear on that.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.